Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0, and second case perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Suppose here is a curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 equals to 0. So we need to find a tangent line at one point. Let us consider this is the tangent, and this tangent is parallel to the line. It's a parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. So which means that the slope of this tangent is equal to slope of the line. The first case we can consider. So let's differentiate this given curve. We have dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. At some point we can mark with the 2x minus 2. And now let's consider the first case, parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0, whose slope is we can write its slope as minus a upon b, that is minus 2 upon minus 1, that's a 2, or else we can write this as y is equal to 2x plus 9, which is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, so that we can mention slope is 2. Okay, slope of the line is 2, and since it is parallel to the tangent line, the slope of tangent of the given curve, slope of tangent to the curve at some point, say p x comma y, is given dy by dx, which is equal to 2x minus 2, and since this tangent and the line are parallel, so we can consider its a slope 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. So which implies 2x is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2x is equal to 2 plus 2, so x is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2, whose x coordinate you got 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in the given curve equation. So y is equal to, the curve equation is x square minus 2x plus 7. So we can substitute 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. So which is 4 minus 4 plus 7, which is equal to 7. So we got the y coordinate of the point is 2 comma 7. So the point P is 2 comma 7. Now at this point we need a tangent whose slope is 2. So equation of tangent to the curve at point P 2 comma 7 can be given as y minus y1 is equal to m times of, that is slope, 2 times of x minus x1. So that is y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4, or we can write 2x minus y minus 4 plus 7 equals to 0, or we can write 7 minus 4, that is 3 equals to 0. So this is an equation of tangent in the case of first one, when it is parallel to the given line 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. And now let's see the second question. When it is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. When it is perpendicular to the line, it's given 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So our curve equation, we had a curve and your tangent is tangent to the curve at some point P is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x, or we can write 5y is equal to 15x plus 13, or we can write y is equal to 15 by 5x plus 13 by 5, or we can write y is equal to 3x plus 13 by 5. So it is in the form y is equal to mx plus c, whose slope is 3. Slope of this line is 3 and slope of tangent can be taken minus 1 by 3 since they are perpendicular. So perpendicular to the line, and slope of the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13 is, we can also use by the formula minus a by b, that's coefficient of x, negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, that is minus of minus 15 upon 5, that is 3. And now slope of tangent can be taken as slope of tangent which is perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to 5y minus 15x is equal to 13, can be taken as minus 1 by 3. Okay, since it is 3, we had a relation m1 m2 is equal to negative 1, so m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1, or we can write minus 1 by 3. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 3. Since we have dy by dx is 2x minus 2, so we can take here, so which implies 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3, or 2x is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3. That's a 2 3s are 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. So we have x is equal to 5 by 6. Let's substitute x is equal to 5 by 6 in the given curve equation. So we got the point whose x coordinate is 5 by 6. Let's find out the y coordinate. Let's substitute in the equation y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 7. So y is equal to x squared minus 2 into x plus 7. So we have y is equal to, this is 25 by 36 minus 5 2s are 10 by 6 plus 7, or else we can also write it as 25 minus 6 times we can use 60, and here 36 into 7, 36 7 times 252, so we can write 252 upon 36, or we can write y is equal to 25 plus 252, 252 plus 25, that's a 277 minus 60, that's a 217, so we can add 217 upon 36. So the equation, we got the y coordinate, that is 217 upon 36. So equation of a tangent can be written as y minus y1, that is y minus 217 by 36 is equal to m into slope is nothing but minus 1 by 3 times of x minus 5 by 6. So we can write 36y minus 217 by 36 is equal to, so minus 1 by 3 times of 6x minus 5 by 6, or we can cancel here 6 times and 3 2 times, and after doing cross multiplication we can get the answer as, so I'm giving direct answer, 36y plus 12x minus 227 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.